Hello Year 4 and welcome to Friday's English lesson, the final one of the week. You've done so well this week, so well done. Now your retrieval for today is to see if you can write a statement, a question and an exclamation sentence. Now the question and an exclamation sentence are going to come in very handy for your narratives. Okay? So I'll give you a little bit of time to do that. If I was you, I'd pause the video, write them out, and come back in just a second when you're done. Okay, can you write a statement, a question, and an exclamation sentence? So a statement, that is when you make a statement, when something is true. It could be a statement about a fact, it could be an idea, it could be an opinion. It is sunny outside today. I'm not sure if it's sunny outside today. So if it's not, that could just be an opinion. I might think it's sunny and it's actually not. But if it is sunny outside today, then that would be a fact. But that is a statement. That is something. A question. What are you having for dinner? That's when you ask somebody something and you want an answer. You normally want an answer. And an exclamation sentence. Oh wow, look at your amazing narrative. So an exclamation sentence, got your exclamation mark at the end, and it's quite a powerful sentence and it stands out. Okay? So well done if you came up with that. Now, I mentioned putting an exclamation mark at the end of an exclamation sentence. Not sure I did with a question. Remember, we've got to put it at the end of a question. To put your question mark at the end, haven't you? Well done. And you can also get rhetorical questions which don't require an answer, but we'll go on to that another day. For now, you normally ask a question because you want an answer. Okay, today, Friday, you are going to finish writing your narrative about the journey of a little raindrop. So, first off, to be successful today, you need to make changes suggested to my first two paragraphs. So somebody would have emailed you back yesterday if you sent it in, and you need to make those changes first. You're then going to finish your narrative, and then you're going to read through your narrative or read through my narrative and check I have included all the different grammar and all the different vocabulary that you need to include or that was on your list, on your plan. Okay? We're going to go through the one we did together in just a second. Now, I'm not sure if you can see that, so let's just move that up for you. So remember, the purpose is to entertain, make it entertaining. Your audience is your teachers, and the form is a narrative. It's like a story, okay? Let's quickly remind ourselves what a paragraph is. We identified these yesterday in yesterday's lesson. So we've explained it. When we finish writing about a picture, we then move on to our second paragraph, and we labelled our paragraphs yesterday. So we realised that the waggle had 4, and that's what you're going to end up with today, hopefully. Okay, this is our shared write from yesterday. Now, before you get started today, I just want to let you know that I've changed a little bit and I added some in because I wanted to get some speech in and I wanted to make it a little bit more interesting. I wanted to finish off the paragraph. Now, I haven't gone to my second one yet, so maybe I should do that a little bit later. But I just want to identify what I've used already, so I know that if I haven't used something, that I need to use it in my next few paragraphs, okay? So, fronted adverbials. Now, I already know that I've used one of those. I can see it. I remember wanting to do that being the first thing that I wanted to do. One stormy day. One stormy day. Have I got another one somewhere? I think I do. Without warning. That was my other one. So remember, your fronted adverbials are your how, your where, or when something has happened. Okay? So, one stormy day. Little raindrop fell from a grey, gloomy cloud. Oh, what have I got there? Got an expanded noun phrase. Well done. So I can give that a tick. I've forgotten to tick them, haven't I? And I've got my comma in there, my comma and my comma. I've remembered. Well done. So, fronted adverbials I've done in this paragraph. That doesn't mean I'm not going to use them in my next one. However, I have used them. I can see that I've used them. And expanded noun phrase. Tick. Okay. As he was falling, he was wondering where he was going to land. Oh, I think that might be a complex sentence. And it's with my subordinate conjunction at the start. So I'm going to highlight that because it's a complex sentence, but it's also got my subordinate conjunction at the start, which is as. As he was falling. Well, how was he falling? As he was falling, what happens? It wouldn't make sense on its own. So I can give that one a tick. Now, Little Raindrop was falling so fast because of the wind, he did not have much time to take in his surroundings. Okay, Little Raindrop was falling so fast. Because of the wind, he did not have much time to take in his surroundings. Okay. So, that's a complex sentence, isn't it? Little Raindrop was falling so fast, that would make sense on its own. Because of the wind, he did not have much time to take in his surroundings. Because of the wind wouldn't make sense on its own. He did not have much time to take in his surroundings. Oh, I'm going to leave that one with you. I wonder if that is a complex sentence. I know the answer. I want to see if you know the answer. Okay, let's have a look. So, without warning, so we already know that is a fronted adverbial. Little Raindrop fell into a cold, icy river and was joined by lots of other raindrops. Oh, I have got an expanded noun phrase there. However, I have forgotten again, or not again, but I forgot to put my comma in. This is why we read through it, isn't it? So we can put them in and check that we've got them. Okay. Little Raindrop fell into a cold, icy river and was joined by lots of other raindrops. Okay. Hello, how are you? Little Raindrop asked. We're freezing, replied the other raindrops. Oh, what have I got there? Speech. Well done. So I've got some speech in. So I can give a speech. But also, what's in my speech? A question, well done, and an exclamation sentence. Look at that, I managed to squeeze that in. Now, let's just, oh, that's my pen. I do that a lot, don't I? Oh, it's a different colour. Hang on, we want blue, don't we? There we go. Just highlight over the top for now. So that's my speech and my question, and that's my exclamation sentence. Okay. Little Raindrop and the other raindrops started to warm up as the current pushed them along the river. Oh, I wonder what's going to happen next. I might start my new paragraph after that. I think I'm ready. So I would go on, I would leave a gap and I would go on to my next paragraph about my next picture. So I've used fronted adverbials. I haven't used commas in a list, so that would be something that I would have to do next time. Or in my next paragraph, I would make sure I got in commas in a list. Okay. I don't think I've put a compound sentence in there either. So, I need to make sure I definitely get one of those in my next one. I was meant to, but I didn't for some reason. I've done my complex sentence in this one. I've done a sentence that starts with a subordinate conjunction, expanded noun phrase, a line of speech, a question, and an exclamation sentence. So actually, I've only missed out commas in a list, simple sentence, and a compound sentence. And that is something that I could either go back now and add in, could change some of my sentences, or I could just put them into my next paragraph and just make sure that I use them, okay? So I've ticked them for this paragraph. That doesn't mean I can tick them for the next one because I haven't written that one yet. Anyway, have lots and lots of fun writing, and I'm so excited to read your narratives, to read the whole of your narratives. Just remember, it is a journey. So make sure you're telling a story and that it does start, or he does start coming from the cloud, and that he somehow ends up back in the cloud or falling back to earth, however you want to word it, however you want to tell your story. But it does link in with the water cycle, okay? So please make sure you're telling a story and it is telling a journey, showing a journey in your story. But yes, I'm so excited to hear them. Okay, goodbye, Year 4. Have fun.